I'm Mahfuzul Alam. Today my topic is develop a restaurant concept based on the correct market demand and trends. A restaurant is a business that prepare and serve food to drinks to the customer. In this present time, business around the world confront the COVID-19 pandemic, focusing that them to adjust to a new business concept and adhere to social distance guideline, like a stamp or evidence container. This means they put a seal which type of food they order, and that means this food is ready to serve or ready to deliver. Cashier shield, that means make a shield between the guest and the cashier. Just make a 6 feet distance with each other, and hand sanitizer. This is the important things in present time, to put a hand sanitizer in front of the restaurant. And social distance sign. This means that a sign put on in front of restaurant or in the area of restaurant which is people notified. That's just like us. In this sense, have need to make a lot of information, just like as people make 6 feet distance from each other, and sanitize your hand, and wash your hand properly, like this. Target market is operating from an understanding is who is the target consumer. So firstly need to know about their lifestyle. So what is their age, their gender, how much money do they make, and they are single or married, they are have any kids, they are value shopper or they are enjoy luxury. So firstly need to know this. And demography. Demography is that their cultural background, their family life, their income, their educational level. Need to know this information. To local government will help to find this information. Sometimes in local newspaper online can publish this type of information. Target market. Location. Target consumer primarily inhabit an urban, suburban, and rural setting. When open a restaurant, really need to know this, choosing the perfect location for the restaurant. The parking is a must. So people are lazy. They are not. There's just no way around it. If they have walked a fair distance to get the restaurant, they may option to choose somewhere else. Visible is important. One choose a restaurant location need to see that the restaurant is easily seen from the street. If the restaurant location not easily accessed on Google Maps, that's definitely is not a good choice. Think about the traffic pattern. High traffic area is a good spot for restaurant location. Competition. It is good idea to see the neighborhood that there have any other restaurant. If there have any other restaurant, just think about own personal and different restaurant from others. So in that way, it's in that way this restaurant will become with a unique business style. Current trends. QR code menu. Recently, restaurant startup have using QR code technology to set up their menu house. The POS checkout system at table. To further reduce interaction between the server and the guest, a restaurant have started the point of sale checkout system at table. Advanced online ordering software. This software can easily access and also can save previous order to create an express checkout faster service to the guest. Restaurant concept. There are many types of restaurant concept to choose from when planning a narration. It can be hard to decide which concept will be the right. The restaurant name. The name of restaurant should give customer a pretty good idea of the type of food that they serve. It's need to memorable, preferable, simply, and most important, authentic. Type of service. There are many types of service in a restaurant. Just like as a casual service, fine dining service, family style, pop up, fast food, food truck, and so on. Choose a service style. Um, Once a menu mostly figure out, then it can be very easy to choose a service style. Um, for an example, many Italian food are mostly like to serve in family style, but priceless seafood entrance might be the best in served in fine dining environment. Restaurant concept, restaurant decor and ambience, quality service, and appropriate music. Appropriate music means restaurant playlists should reflect the restaurant concept. Unique and on-brand decor, accommodating furniture placement, and suitable color scheme. Color means that's great restaurant researcher and writer Jackie Lowry says that we eat our eyes. That means the color is most aspect of restaurant design. So menu. In a restaurant, the menu is list of food and beverage offered to the customer and the price. Menu. When it comes to planning a restaurant menu, food is a lot of fashion. Offering new menu item at restaurant is the easy way to keep the customer interest and even generate local media attention. Here are some popular food trends for restaurant menu. Classical comfort foods, local ingredients, gourmet versions of classics, healthy kids menu, zero waste cooking, vegetable centric dishes. Pricing. The ideal food cost percentage. The average food cost percentage of most of the restaurant is in the range of 25 to 35%. Determine the raw food cost of the menu item. That means that if served chicken, uh, add up the total cost of the chicken and which ingredient that's used to make the menu. Calculate the prices. Price equal to raw food cost item divided by ideal food cost percentage. And that, for an example, if to make a chicken menu, that's the total the raw food cost menu item. This think about pouring it 25 cents, and the we if we chose the ideal food cost percent and 30%, that the price the menu price will be the 14 ringgit 16 cent. Restaurant layout. No matter where type, size or location, every restaurant has a basic layout that includes some general area included as entrance, the kitchen, bar and restroom. The restaurant entrance. The entrance area is for a narration can be as important as the inside when it comes to getting new customer. The waiting area. Not all restaurants have to access the waiting area, but if the restaurant have enough space, that can be separate from the bar. It should be functional for the restaurants, since it is where serve ordering and pick up drinks from for the table. Restaurant layout. The dining room. The dining room setup is not only create a mood in the restaurant but also the way of staff function as well as the customer comfort and overall rating of the restaurant. So restaurant kitchen. At the center of the restaurant is the restaurant kitchen, but some commercial kitchen is not view on the public, not view of the public. So the layout is as important as the dining room. Staff area and back office. Most restaurants need have a staff area and back office to hold sensitive business information and like their personal document, text document, and comforting equipment and some cash reserve, takeout and delivery pickup areas. So not all operations have takeout and delivery pickup areas, but if a restaurant have a lot of takeout and delivery business, just need to set up space to hold completed order and enter efficient pickup. Marketing strategies. Restaurant market and branding are the two essential components of restaurant success. Paid advertising. It is very easily to understand that if invest X amount of money in marketing, that will get Y amount of return in terms. Social media marketing. In the era of internet, everyone knows that social media is the most powerful and marketing benefit for marketing a restaurant. Um, just like as Facebook, 9 out of 10 restaurants are agrees that Facebook is the most powerful social media to market a restaurant, and also Instagram is the best social media platform to entice customer with delectable image and video of food. Email and SMS marketing. Email and SMS are the most effective ways to reach the customer. That while creating a SMS can be remembered to create link that include a clear call of actions. That's the text of SMS copy such as order now and also can online ordering and phone number. Marketing strategies, hosting and participant in event. Sometimes surveillance is always happening in community. This can get with them a big promotional boost for restaurant that's by taking a part in community events or and celebrating. Online branding. Maintain the online reputation and branding operation is most important nowadays. So online marketing and branding is essential about the message that are sent to the customers when they took up the restaurant to the online. Public relation. Most restaurants don't fully capitalize with their positive praise, but can respect favorable review, mention, and give award. A restaurant concept is the lifeline of a brand and longevity in the market. It makes venue stand apart from the competition and is ultimately restaurant unique selling promotion. To conclude that this report is all about a restaurant concept based on the current market demands and trends. According to the report, can easily understand a restaurant concept and also can apply anyone to their own business. Thank you.